This love is like the ocean.
Love is
That's
patient.
crashing over me.
Ang pag-ibig ay
It's like
matyaga.
falling rain on the
Love
grass
is
blade.
kind.
As far
Ang
as
pag-ibig
eyes can
ay
see.
laging nagmamagandang loob. Joseph,
This love is
maging
like
matyaga ka.
trees.
Ito ay kasal. Ito ay sagrado. Kailangan ang buhay ninyo araw-araw ay pagsisikap na maging banal at maging sagrado.
It's right where I want
Tishay, I hope you are as happy as I am today. Can you imagine? Since high school and here we are finally. The first time I saw you in class, sabi ko sa sarili ko, eto ang gusto ko maging seatmate. Mukhang mabait, pakokopyahin ako nito. And soon we became seatmates, friends, best friends. And di ko namamalayan, I was falling for your smile.
can't get enough of you.
Then we broke up in college. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, okay lang, tayo pa rin sa huli. Ikaw ang pangarap ko, I'm sure of that. Fast forward and now we are very happy with our 3 lovely kids. I am complete.
Loves you like I do. I never want them to. Nobody loves you like I do. I can't get enough of you.
Thank you for making them happy today and forever. Bless their marriage with joy so they love each other even more each day.
I've known her since for around 20 years, but we've been together like more than 10 years, I think.
I'm looking forward for us to be together na talaga na hindi LDR kasi right now medyo effort yung LDR at sacrifice talaga.
11,000, 100 layo.
Last January, they moved sa US.
Kung saan ang oras ay di magtatagpo.
Balik-balik ako na US. I have to spend time with my kids. Sila yung priority ko.
Panghawakan ang pangako.
So, ayun, we're trying to make things work, but definitely it would work.
Na ako'y uuwi rin sa'yo.
In the near future, I hope magkasama na tayo ulit.
Sasabik pangakong babalik.
I hope everything will go as planned.
Hanap ng daan makala.
Thank you for always reminding me how much you love me. Us, be it through words or deeds.
Pangakong babalik.
Mommy, finally, we are hirap.
Hanap ng daan makala.
I hope until forever ganito na magkakampi tayo, partner tayo sa lahat. Sana walang magbago.
Lang kahit 11,000, 100 layo.
Congratulations na lang sa atin, dalawa.
Panasan ng luha, magsasama rin tayo.
Masaya, syempre, finally, sobrang tagal namin siyang inintay.
Oo, napaka-sweet naman. Baka mahalikan mo pa ako pagkatapos.
Kasama ba yun? Hoy, may kalaban tayo sa kanan. Galingan nyo,
Sa'yo nakatingin.
Smile or serious?
Okay, ganda mo sa aking
Okay naman lahat, no?
kailan ako mag-aantay sa'yo hanggang kailan ako mag-aantay sa'yo sa'yo lang nakamasig
Paalala ko lang, ito may mic tayo, Oo. Ikaw nakukuha lahat to.
Ay, ayaw talaga, ayaw mo.
Ang tanong lagi, everyday, tuloy ba yung kasal?
My love, we have known each other for more than 2 decades now. I have seen your adventurous self grow into a persistent family man. And for that, I have loved you even more.
Landas natin ay pinatagpo.
Yun, I've spent half my life with her. Oh, thank you. Dito ka lang, Ate. Stay here. Hold my eyes. Okay.
Pagtingin alam ko
So, ni Daddy yung watch, ha?
ikaw ang bubusinta
Watch si Daddy.
ng aking mundo.
As I've said, ikaw yung pangarap ko. And every day, I get to wake up na kasama ko yung pangarap ko.
Pero itong mga kamay hindi bibitaw. Ikaw ay akin at ako'y iyo.
I vow to respect, support, and be with you through all the decisions that we have to make for our family.
Dahil ikaw ay akin at ako'y iyo. Lagi at kailanman ay pinangako. Mahalin kita ng buong buo. Puso iyong iyo. Na 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 na.
Siyempre, smile. Yan. Natatakot ako bigla kay Dad pag nanilalapit ako eh.
All the happiness in the world, anak. With my apos. yung mga happiness ko, thank you, anak. Sa pagbibigay sa akin ng happiness.
Mamaya to, puro bili na to.
Oh.
Pasalubong.
Sa ating paglalakbay, maaaring maligaw. Pero itong mga kamay, hindi bibitaw. Akin at ako'y
Ay, wow! Meron pa ulit! Anong dami? Ayoko! Oh my God!
ikaw ay akin at ako'y iyo. Lagi at kailanman yung pinangakong mamahalin kita ng buong buo.
I thank God for letting you into my life while we were young. To say, I vow to make your dreams my dreams. I vow to protect you and our family.
Ikaw ay akin at ako'y iyo.
I promise to love you today until forever. I will always make sure to protect this family that we have always dreamed of and built together.
Ikaw ay akin at ako'y iyo.
I vow to be by your side always and forever. You are my soulmate. I love you.
Kita ng buong buo, puso'y iyong